Hi guys, so this is going to be an extremely quick video. A lot of times what I've seen is when salespeople create deals out of contacts, it causes a breakage. By that, I mean all of the activities which are inside of contacts, they are not automatically synced with deals. And when you open a particular deal which is associated to that contact, you will see that the deal is empty. Now, there's a very easy way. It's not even a hack. There's just a click which you need to execute for all of your contact activities to be synced to deals, and a lot of people seem to miss it. So I'll just show you how to do that. So I'm in this particular contact, and over here now if I click on add, and if by doing nothing over here, and this is how a lot of salespeople do, I click on create. So now if I check activities, this is completely empty. So what needs to be done over here is when you click create a deal over here, there's this small toggle over here which says add timeline activity. So if you click over here and if you click over here both, all of these contact activities will be synced with your deal as well as your company activities. And then you click on create. And that is it. So over here, if you see, there were no actual activities in the earlier contacts, but because it's a demo account, there were no emails, no tasks or anything. But when all of them are present and you open that particular deal, all of these activities would get populated over here. So that was a video. Hope you found it useful. Thank you.